Well, volunteers are so important to organizations, and that includes Mercy Health St. Rita's. And joining us today, a mom and son duo to talk about volunteering and how it's been a big part of their family. We have Dr. Maureen Kahle with us, and the medical director of the population at St. Rita's, and then his mom and a volunteer at St. Rita's, Maureen Kahle. So thanks for joining us. First, let's start with you, Mrs. Kahle. You'd like to start with you because you made the decision to become a volunteer at St. Rita's. So tell us why.
In 1986, my husband took a job change and we moved back to Lima. My mom was president of the auxiliary and she told my sister and I, you're going to start volunteering. So he drug us in there and we've been there ever since.
Do you get a lot of joy from your work?
I do. I love it. Yeah, I'm in the gift shop and then I help with special sales, the street fair, and just whatever they need.
Dr. Kahle, how did you get your affiliation with St. Rita's and you get your start? Did you do volunteering that influenced your decision to become a doctor?
Well, as my mom said, I think our family has always had an unofficial affiliation with St. Rita's, both through volunteering and people working there. I did start volunteering in various areas of the hospital when I was in my later years of high school, and that continued through my college years, and I've been employed with St. Rita's for the past 8 years.
Well, did volunteering influence you in your career choices and goals?
I do think that it influenced that. When you're volunteering in the hospital, you do get a behind-the-scenes look at some of what's going on. I obviously wasn't practicing medicine at that time, but it was beneficial to see that other side.
Mrs. Kahle, sounds like you did enjoy your volunteer work. How would you like to encourage others to take that step and maybe become a volunteer too?
They are interested in whatever you are interested in. They have all kinds of areas, whatever your specialty, whatever your timing is, whatever you want to do, they will find a place to put you and they will be happy to have you. You can call the volunteer office or fill out an application online and they will get with you, and you have to go through an orientation and they will get your specialty, what you want to do, and they will find the perfect spot for you.
Do your paths ever cross at the hospital? Do you see each other sometimes, maybe have lunch together?
A little bit. I do work off campus in the organization, but I am in the hospital frequently, and we do cross paths in the hospital, but also more so in some of the community events that St. Rita's puts on that we're both involved with.
Doctor, you must see volunteers daily, and can you testify to the importance of their work?
Absolutely. Our volunteer team is crucial to the success of our hospital and really in helping to enhance the patient experience. When you walk in our front doors, the first people you see are volunteers. So they are one of the faces of our hospital, and we're very grateful to have them a part of us.
Well, thanks for joining us today. Don't go away. Noon Edition continues in a moment.